Good morning everyone. Welcome back to today's online session of grade 1st. Okay children. So today I am back with the same topic, that is long vowel U sound words. Okay children. Today we will be continuing with the long vowel U sound words. Okay children. So what is our today's topic? Our today's topic is long vowel U sound words. Okay children. So let us start our today's class. So what we have learned in the previous class children? Before going to start our today's class, let us revise our previous class. Okay children, what we have learned in the previous class? Yes, we have learned in the previous class U sound words, single U sound words and UE sound words and EW sound words, which gives the long vowel U sound. Okay children, single U without any combination gives the long vowel U sound, and U and E together having the consonant between them gives the long vowel U sound, and EW together gives the long vowel U sound. In today's class, we are going to learn O combination words. Okay children, in today's class, we are going to learn O combination words. Letter O combination words. The letter O and O together gives the long vowel U sound. Okay children, the combination of letter O and one more letter O gives the long vowel U sound. Okay children, how do we pronounce it? We have to use long vowel U sound for the combination of O and O words. Okay children, when O and O together, when O and O together come in the same word, it gives the long vowel O sound, long vowel U sound. Okay children, how do we pronounce it? Long vowel U also gives the sound of OO. Okay children, long vowel U also gives the sound of OO. So here we have some words. We have some words here, O combination words, which gives the long vowel U sound, and that sound, how do we pronounce children? O. Okay. P. So here let us see some words which are taking the O words. Okay. Here the combination of O letters together gives the sound of long vowel U sound. Okay children, the combination of O together comes in the same word, gives the long vowel U sound. Okay, and how do we pronounce it? We pronounce it as OO. Okay, long vowel U also gives the sound of OO. Okay, here look at the some word which I have written on the board children. So here first word we have T O O. Okay, look at the first word children. What we have here? We have T O O. So here what is the pronunciation of T? What is the sound of T? T. And O. Okay. What is the pronunciation of T children? T. And O together gives the long vowel U sound. We also pronounce long vowel U sound as OO. Okay. it gives long vowel U, also gives the sound of oo. Okay, so here t, oo, two. Okay, how do we pronounce, children? T, oo, two. Long vowel U also gives the sound of oo. Okay, and here what is the sound of short vowel E? What is the sound of short vowel E, children? Short vowel I. What is the sound of short vowel I? The I gives the sound of E. And what is the sound of G? G. E, G, L. Okay. What is the sound of L? L. G, when G and L together, when G and L blended together, it gives the sound of gl. Okay, e, gl, oo, igloo. Okay, how do we pronounce it, children? E. When G is blended with L, it gives the sound of gl. E, gl, and oo together, o together gives the sound of long vowel U. It pronounced as oo. So what? How do we read it, children? E, gl, oo, igloo. Okay. How do we pronounce? Igloo. Okay. Similarly, we have here R, double O, M. So what is the sound of R, children? What is the sound of R? Yes, what is the sound of R? R. And O together gives the sound of oo. And what is the sound of M? M. R. Oo. M. Room. Okay. R. Oo. M. Room. Repeat after me, children. R. Oo. M. Room. Okay. T, oo, two. E, G, when G is blended with L, G. What is the sound of G? G. What is the sound of L? L. When G and L together blended, it gives the sound of gl. E, gl, oo, igloo. What is the sound of R? R. What is the sound of together O and O? Oo. M. Room. Okay. Look at the next word, children. What is the sound of H? H. And O together gives the long vowel U sound. It pronounced as oo. Okay. H. Oo. F. Hoof. How do we read it? H, oof, hoof. What is the sound of S? S. And what is the sound of O and O together? It gives the long vowel U sound. Okay. How do we read it? Long vowel U sound. One O and O together combined. We have to read it as oo. Okay. S, oo, n. Soon. Okay. Soon. The combination of O and O letters gives the sound of long vowel U sound. Okay, children. Soon. Soon. Ha. Oof. Hoof. Okay. What is the sound of S? S. And what is the sound of M? M. When S and M blended together, it gives the sound of sm. Okay, we have learnt in the previous class, isn't it? When S and M blended together, sm, sm, it gives the sound of sm. Sm. Oo. Okay, sm, oo, T, H. What is the sound of T? T. H. When T and H blended together, it gives the sound of th. Th. Okay, smooth. How do we read it? Smooth. 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 When T and H blended together, it gives the sound of th. Okay, smooth. How do we read it, children? Smooth. Smooth. Okay. Now look at the next word. What is the sound of R? R. And O together gives the long vowel U sound. R. Oot. Root. Okay, repeat after me. R. Oot. Root. Okay. What is the sound of T here? T. And O together gives the long vowel U sound. T. Oo. And when T and H blended together, it gives the sound of T. T tabala. Okay. T. T. Oot. Tooth. T. Oot. Tooth. Okay. When B is blended with R, B, R. What is the sound of B? B. And what is the sound of R? R. When B is blended with R, it gives the sound of br. Repeat after me, children. When B is blended with R, it gives the sound of br. It gives the sound of br. And the combination of O and O, it gives the sound of oo. Bra. Oom. And what is the sound of M? Ma. So how do we read it, children? Bra. Oom. Broom. Repeat after me. Bra. Oom. Broom. Okay. Look at this next word, children. What is the sound of Z? Z. Okay. Z. And O together gives the long vowel U sound. How do we read it as? We read it as oo sound. Okay. Oo sound. So here Z. Oom. Zoom. Z. Oom. Zoom. Okay. What is the sound of F? F. And what is the sound of O and O together? When O and O together combine, it gives the sound of oo, long vowel U sound. Okay. F, oo, d. What is the sound of D, children? D. Food. How do we read it? Food. Okay. So when O and O letters combination gives the long vowel U sound. Long vowel U also pronounced as oo. Okay. It also gives the sound of oo. Okay. So how do we read these words, children? T, oo, two. Okay. T, oo, two. I, gl, oo, igloo. R, oom, room. H, oof, hoof. S, oon, soon. Sm. When S and M blended together, it gives the sound of sma. Smoot, smooth. Root, root. Oot, tooth. Broom, broom. Zoom, zoom. Food, food. Okay, children. Two. Repeat after me everyone. Let us read along with me. 2. Repeat after me. You have to read along with me. Igloo. Yes, read along with me children. Room. Hoof. Very good. Soon. Smooth. Root. Tooth. Tooth. Broom. Zoom. Food. Okay children, so these are the OO combination words. Okay children. If you want, you can take the screenshot of it. Okay children, if you want, you can take the screenshot of it. So that you can write later. Okay children, now let us study UE words. Okay children, now let us study UE words. Okay. The combination of U and E. The combination of U and E together comes in the same word, gives the long vowel U sound. Okay children? The combination of U and E together gives the sound of long vowel U sound. Okay? Let me write here. U, E. Okay children, now we are going to study U, E words. The combination of U and E in the same word gives the long vowel U sound. Okay, whenever you are getting U and E together in the same word, you have to read it as long vowel U sound. Okay. The combination of UE letters together gives the long vowel U sound. Okay children, now let us see some example for long vowel U sound UE words. Okay children, here we have D, U, E, S, U, E, D, L, U, E, T, I, S, S, U, E, G, L, U, E, T, R, U, E, U, N, T, R, U, E, R, E, S, C, U, E, A, R, G, U, E. C, L, U, E. Okay children, so these are the UE words which gives the long vowel U sound. Okay children, the combination of U and E in the same word gives the long vowel U sound. Okay children, so let us study some example for UE words. Okay children, so here we have the first word D-U-E. So what is the sound of D children? D. And what is the sound of U and E? It gives the sound of long vowel U. So how do we read it children? D, U, dew. So how do we read it children? U. Dew. What is the sound of long vowel U? U. Okay. So how do we read it? The combination of U and E together gives the long vowel U sound. So how do we read it, children? What is the sound of D? What is the phonic sound of D? D. And what is the sound of U and E? The combination of U and E gives the long vowel U sound. So how do we read it? D, U, dew. Okay? D, U, dew. Look at the second one, children. What is the sound of S? S. And what is the sound of U and E together? U. So how do we read? S, U, Siu. Okay? S, U, Siu. Okay? Now look at the third one. When B is blended with L, what is the sound of B? B. What is the sound of L? L. When B and L together gives the sound of, when B and L blended together, it gives the sound of blur. Blur, U, blue. Okay? Blur, U, blue. So here U and E, the combination of U and E gives the long vowel U sound. Okay, children? Now look at the third one, fourth one. What is the sound of T? T. And what is the sound of I here? It is short vowel I. E. What is the short vowel I sound, children? The short vowel I sound is E. Okay? T, E. And what is this the sound of S? S. T, S, U. Tissue. So how do we read it? T, E, S, U. Tissue. Okay, double S. So we have to read it as S, tissue. Okay, tissue. Now look at the next word. When G is blended with L, what is the sound of G? G. And what is the sound of L? L. Gl. When G and L blended together, it gives the sound of gl. And E and E, U and E combination gives the long vowel U sound. So it is pronounced as gl, U, glue. Okay? Gl, U, glue. Okay, children? When T is blended with R, it gives the sound of tr, t, r, tr. Okay? When T is blended with R, it gives the sound of tr. So children, when T is blended with R, it gives the sound of tr. And U and E together gives the sound of U. So how do we read it? Tra, ew, trew. Okay, children, what is the sound of short vowel U here in the next word? What is the sound of short vowel U? The short vowel U sound is And what is the sound of N? No. When T and R blended together, it gives the sound of tr. And U and E combination gives the sound of U. So how do we read it? N, tr, U. Untrue. U and E, when U and N blended together, it gives the sound of n, un. Tr, U. Untrue. Okay, children? When R, what is this? Look at the next word. What is the sound of R over here? R. And what is the sound of short vowel E? A. So how do we read it? R. What is the sound of S? S. And what is the sound of C here? K. And when S and C blended together, it gives the sound of sk. And U and E together gives the sound of ew. Rescue. So how do we read it, children? We read it as rescue. Okay? Untrue, rescue. Look at the next word, children. What is the sound of A here? Short vowel A. Okay? And what is the sound of R? R. And what is the sound of G? G. And what is the sound of U and E together? It gives the sound of ew. So how do we read it? R. G. Ew. Argue. Okay, how do we read it? Argue. Look at the next word, children. What is the sound of C? K. And what is the sound of L? L. And U and E together gives the sound of long vowel U. So how do we read it? Clue. 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 Okay, children. So these are the UE combination words which gives the long vowel U sound. Let us read once again. Ew. Ew. Sew. Ew. Blue. Ew. Tissue. Ew. Tissue. Ew. Glue. Ew. True. Ew. Untrue. Ew. Rescue. Ew. Argue. Ew. Clue. Okay, repeat after me, children. You have to read along with me. Dew. Sew. Blue. Tissue. Yes, repeat after me. Very good. Glue. True. Untrue. Rescue. Argue. Clue. So these are the UE combination words, children. Okay. So now it's time to give you the homework, children. Take down your homework. So what is your today's homework? Yes, very good. You have to write OO combination words and UE combination words 5 times. So this is your today's homework. You have to write UE combination words and OO combination words 5 times. Okay, children. So this is your today's homework. Hope you all have understood today's class. Let us meet in the next class with the new topic. In next class, I am going to teach you long vowel O sound words. Okay, children. Now here ends our today's class. Let us meet in the next session with a new topic. Till then, have a good day. Bye bye, children.